Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear friends. This is Dr. Huda. Today is a math lesson for grade 4. Inshallah, we are going to study values and place values. Let's start. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. بسم الله. Write the number shown in each model. Here we have a model. There are two ones. So 2 ones and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 tenths and 1, 2, 3, 4 hundredths. So again, we have 2 ones and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenths and 4 hundredths. Okay, so it is 2.64. Let's do this one. Here we have only one, so it is 1 point. And how many tenths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tenths. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hundredths. So it is 1.88. Write 3 numbers that are greater than 1 and less than 2. Each number should have digits in the tenth and hundredth place. So we can choose any number between 1 and 2, but it has to have a number in the tenth and hundredth place. For example, here 1.23, 1.56, 1.81. Okay, so these are numbers between 1 and 2. So here the ones place should be 1. Okay, and we put a point and we write any digits here. Okay, so the ones should be 1. Okay, and the tenth place and the hundredth place can contain any digit. It will be less than 2 and more than 1. Okay, write 3 numbers that have 4 tenths. So I can write, for example, 1.4, 2.4, 3.4. Anything 0.4 is, it has a 4 in the tenth place. The smallest decimal fraction formed from 9, 8 and 6 are. So we want the smallest decimal fraction. The smallest, the ones will have 0. Okay, point, and then we arrange this number from the smallest to the largest. So 0.689. So we choose this one. The place value of 8 in 81.4. Here 8 is in the tens place. Okay. The value of 9 in 9 and half. So 9 and half. The value of 9 here is 9 because it's in the ones place. Write the value of 4 in 4.503. So here 4, its value is, it is in the ones place, right? So its value is 4. Here 42.37. So 42, its value is 40. 11.46, so its value is 0.4 because it is in the 10th place. 27.04, so it is in the 100th place, so its value is 0.04. Here 0.14, its value is 0.04 because it's in the 100th place. 704.16, so its value is 4 because it's in the ones place. Write the decimal to describe each model. Here in this model we have 3 ones. Okay, and how many tenths? Yes, 3 tenths and only 1 hundredth, so it's 3.31. In this model we have 2 ones and 2 tenths and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundredths. Write two numbers which have 2 tenths. So for example 0.2 or 1.2 or anything 0.2. In the number 120.35, the value of 3 is, yes, 0.3, while its place value is, it is in the 10th place. The value of the digit in the 100th place is what? Here in the 100th place, it is 5. So the value, here's a 5, its value is 0.05. Choose the correct answer. The value of the digit 4 in the number 3.94, this 4, its value is 0.04. The value of the digit 0 in the number 6.05. So any digit 0, its value will be 0, whatever its place. So we choose 0. The underlined digit in 15.42 is in which place? Here the 4. Yes, it is in the 10th place. In the number 325.41, which digit is in the 100th place? Yes, here's the 100th place, 0.41. So 100th place is the 1. So we choose 1. The number that represents the opposite model is what? So we count here the 10th. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here, these can form 1 ones, okay? And then we have 1/10 and 400. So it is 1 point, and here we have 1/10 and 400. So 1.14. Lesson 21, decimals in multiple forms. Complete the table, and we have here the decimal form, the fraction form, the word form, the unit form, and the expanded form. So the decimal form is 4.02. The fraction is 4 and 2 over 100, right? The word form is 4 and 2. So the word form is 4 and 2 hundredths. Okay. The unit form is 4 ones and 2 hundredths. Okay. The expanded form is 4 plus 0.02. Here, the word form is 6 and 98 hundredths. So the decimal will be 6.98. The fraction form is 6 and 98 over 100. The word form is 6 and 98 hundredths. The unit form is 6 ones and 98 hundredths. The expanded form is 6 plus 0.9 plus 0.08. Here, in this one, the expanded form is 8 plus 0.1 plus 0.07. So the decimal form will be 8 plus 8.17. 8.17. Okay. The fraction form is 8 and 17 over 100. Okay. The word form is 8 and 17 hundredths. Okay, the unit form is 8 ones and 17 hundredths. Here, this one is 2 ones, 5 tenths, and 7 hundredths. So it is 2.57, the decimal form. The fraction form will be 2 and 57 over 100. The word form is 2 and 57 hundredths. Okay, so 2 ones, 5 tenths, 7 hundredths. The expanded form is 2 plus 0.5 plus 0.07. We come to this number. It is 29.1 in the decimal form. The fraction will be 29 and 1 over 100. The word form is 29 and 100. Okay, the unit form is 29 ones and 100. Okay, the expanded form is 29 plus 0.1. We come to this number, 7 and 6 hundredths. So the decimal form is 7 and 600 is 0.06. Okay, the fraction will be 7 and 6 over 100. The word form is 7 and 6 hundredths. The unit form is 7 ones and 6 hundredths. The expanded form is 7 plus 0.06. Again, 7.06 in the decimal form, 7 and 6 over 100, 7 and 6 hundredths in the word form. The unit form is 7 ones and 6 hundredths. The expanded form is 7 plus 0.06. Here we come to this one, 8 ones and 6 tenths. So it is 8.6, right? And here in the fraction form, it is 8 and 6 over 10. Okay? And the word form will be what? Yes, it will be 8 and 6 tenths. Okay? It is 8 ones and 6 tenths. The expanded form will be 8 plus 0.6. We come to the last one, 2 and 9 over 100 is in the decimal form, it will be 2.09. Okay, the word form will be 2 and 9 hundredths. Okay, the unit form is 2 ones and 9 hundredths. So the expanded form will be 2 plus 0.09. Again, 2.09 is the same as 2 and 9 over 100. The word form is 2 and 9 hundredths. The unit form is 2 ones and 9 hundredths. The expanded form is 2 plus 0.09. Express each of the following as a decimal and fraction. Here we have 4 wholes, so it is 4, and only 4 parts of the 10 parts, so it is 4 and 4 over 10. Okay, the decimal form will be 4.4. Here in this model we have 1, 2, 3 wholes, so the fraction will be 3, and here the fourth model is, we have to count, it is divided into 100 parts. The shaded parts are 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 38. So the fraction will be 3 and 38 over 100. and the decimal is 3.38. Here in this model, how many holes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it is 5, okay? And here we have only 9 parts of the 100 parts colored, okay? So it is 5.09. 5.09, okay? And the fraction will be 5 and 9 over 100. There were 100 people in the market. 43 of them bought flour. So the decimal is 0.43. And the fraction will be 43 over 100. 7 tenths, 2 ones, 4 tenths, and 5 hundredths. Okay? So 7 tenths and 2 ones are 72, right? And we put the point. And here we have 4 in the 10th place and 5 in the 100th place. So it is 72.45. The fraction will be 72 and 45 over 100. Complete. 3.2 equals 3 plus what? Yes, 0.2. 5.01 is 5 plus 0.01. What is equal to 45 plus 0.8? Yes, 45.8. 10.1 equals what plus 0.1? Yes, equals 10 plus 0.1. What is equal to 4 plus 0.9? Yes, 4.9. 37.56 equals 37 plus what? Yes, 0.56. What is equal to 301 plus 0.29? Yes, 301.29. 3 plus 0.03 plus 0.3. So it is equal to 3.33. Here, 0.376 equals what plus 7 over 100 plus what? So we have 3 in the 10th place. So it is 3 over 10. And then 7 over 100 and 6 over 1000. Because it is in the 1000th place. Okay? Here, 0.07 plus 0.8 plus 700 plus 14. So the whole numbers are 714 point. Okay, and here we have in the 10th place the 0.8 and in the 100th place the 0.07. Okay, 714.87. 5 plus 6 over 100 plus 3 over 10. So the whole number is 5.3 in the 10th place and 6 in the 100th place. 5 tenths. 5 tenths is 0.5. 300 is 0.03. 26 tenths, 20 and 6 tenths. So 20 point and 6 tenths is 0.6. Okay. 17 and 42 hundredths. So 17 point 42 hundredths. 0.42. 12.89 in the expanded form. So it is equal to 12 plus 0.8 plus 0.09. 3 plus 0.6 plus 0.04 in the word form. So it is 3 and 6 tenths and 4 hundredths. Okay. 10 and 11 hundredths in the standard form. So it is 10 point 11 hundredths. So it is 11 like this, 11 hundredths. 25.73 in the unit form. So it is 2 tens, 5 ones, 7 tenths, and 3 hundredths. Okay? Choose the correct answer. 15 hundredths. So 15 hundredths is 0.15. Okay? We choose D. Which number of the following has 3 tenths, 9 ones, and 8 hundredths? So we have 9 ones. It is 9 point. 3 tenths and 8 hundredths. 9.38. 74.53 equals 74 plus what? Yes, 0.53. 60.57 equals 60 plus what? Plus 0.07. Yes, this is the expanded form. It is 0.5. What decimal is represented in the following expanded form? 7 plus 0.5 plus 0.03. Yes, it is 7.53. Okay, so 7.53b, the B. What is equal to 28 plus 0.5? Yes, 28.5. What shows 6.05 written in the word form? So it is 6 and 5 hundredths. 6 and 5 hundredths. B. And now we've come to the end of our session today. I hope you liked the lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and share the videos with your friends. Thank you, dear. Bye. Good luck.